Hello everyone, welcome to Talent Battle. In this video, we are going to clear the doubts about the latest update by TCS for TCS NQT exam. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates related to the placement drives. Initially, TCS NQT exam was scheduled on 20th July and last date to register was 10th July. Now, TCS has changed the TCS NQT exam date. The new test date or the exam is scheduled on 3 and 4th August 2019 and the last date to register is also extended. Last date to register is now 24th July. But I would recommend not to wait for the last day if you have not registered yet. You need to register quickly. We have prepared another video in which we have discussed how to register. I have added the link for the video in the description. Now some students are having doubts. For already applied students, okay, what will happen to the previous details given by them? Now, you need to understand all the details which you have given previously are saved. If you want to change anything, you can use the update drive details. Now, another question, can I change my test location now? You can change your test location. If you want to change, just you need to go to TCS next step TCS and click on update drive details and you can do that. For already applied students, right now the test center is looking like blank. You don't need to worry about it as mentioned by the TCS. In case there is any update related to that in future, we will provide you from our YouTube channel. Right now, whenever you are applying for the first time, the system will only show 3rd August as date, but the test is actually 3rd and 4th August. Okay, so depending on your hall ticket, you will get that date. Now, one thing you need to understand, this news can be taken in very positive way and can be considered as a great opportunity. If you have not started your preparation yet, you have got 23 more days to prepare yourself in better way. Talent battle preparation packages can be the best way to prepare in remaining day. Don't miss this opportunity and register now. To all those who are watching this video, we are running a special discount for users right now. The code is we are providing almost 20% of the discount. Just messages on our WhatsApp number which I have mentioned over here and then we will provide you the further details. So don't waste your time now and start with your preparation. All the best. Thank you.